Hey, what's up, man? All right, so I made this video. I'm making this video for you really quickly, so you can see how the strategy is going. I'm testing it as we're speaking right now. I'm doing September now. I'm doing a full year, so I've been doing a full year month by month. That's what I've been working on. I'm on September right now, the end of September, which is my 75 take profit 15 stop loss. So you can see I have the settings here in my software, which I use to test how I can test a year so quickly because of the software. If you want to get this software, let me know. I can give you my link for my I have an affiliate link, and you can get like 10-15% off, instead of you just going to Forex Tester 3 and getting it yourself. So let me know if you would like to get it. I'm actually going to be making a course on how to use it exactly, because for beginner traders, it's a lot to understand about, oh, you have to do this and this, and if it's just you, it's easy. I can help you. But if there's like 50 people, 100 people asking me, I can't like help everybody individually. So I'm making a course on it later. Right now I'm going to be selling the smartest trend indicator. So I'm going to be giving away this manual strategy for free. So I just want to show you how the strategy is in a video, because it will be a lot easier than just reading a book without any screenshots, and as a beginner, it's a lot of things to take in. So anyway, right now, and keep in mind that this is not even using the smartest trend indicator. So this is just doing the strategy without the indicator. So it's pretty good results, without even using the indicator. So with using the indicator, it would be amazing. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so we're starting at 0.01 lot size. Of course, we have 15 stop loss, 75 take profit. The last candle was green, so we're going to go for buy. With this software, I can just go like this and it'll automatically put it in. But if I didn't have this software, then I would have to go like this. I would have to actually grab stop loss, and I would go 15, actually that's 16. So, and then to get closer up, I would have to go one up, and then 75, oh, that's 74, and then I would have to go one up. So this is what I would have to do if, and this is what used to take me a while, but as when you're trading, actually, this is just because of testing. But if you were actually trading, you would just draw two lines, you would get it at 15, and you would get it at 75. And, you doing a 4-hour time frame, even if you had to do 5 pairs, would be pretty easy because it's 4 hours. But me testing, I'm trying to test the whole year within less than a month. It's a lot of work. So doing this is actually very time consuming. So instead, it's nice that's why I like this software. I can just put it, and it automatically puts it for me because I have it in there. Okay, so anyway, I go ahead, I push buy, right? This would be the first hour here. Once you push it right here, so the top of the hour, okay, that would be the top of the hour, right? It still didn't get in any position or anything. Press it twice. Okay, I got stopped out. So in the second one, I got stopped out. So I will wait for the top of the next 4-hour candle. So I'll just go ahead and push this 2 more times because it goes, every time I push F11, it goes 1 hour at a time. See, I have it set here 1 hour. It's a 4-hour time frame. So every time I push F11, it does 1 hour. So now I need to push 3, 4. Okay. So now that's the 4th hour. So now I would get in again, and this is not using the smartest trend indicator. So I'm just going candle by candle. Okay. So you wouldn't get stopped out so many times if you were using the smartest trend indicator, but I'm just showing how to do the strategy, okay, without the smartest trend indicator. Okay, so which you can even do it without it too, but you would get stopped out more times. You wouldn't lose your account, but you would get, you would hit more, you would get stopped out more times. That's it. Okay. So, and of course we want to prevent getting stopped out a lot of times, and we want to, we want to get stopped out less as possible actually. So, okay. So, here we go. So we go sell because it's red. Get in there. Okay. And I'll go 1. Okay. It won the first hour. It won. Okay. So, and then I would get in again. Okay. Because that's the first one. Okay. 2. Okay. I got stopped out there. 3, 4. Okay. Then I'll go again. And so now I get to start all over because it was every 3 we would go to the next lot size. But since it won on the second one, and then now it's a whole new one. So this will be the second one actually. Get in again. Okay. 1. Okay. 2. Okay. 3, 4. Okay. 1. Okay. 2. Okay. 3, 4. Because I hit on the second hour, we just go to the top of the hour, right? So now we'll go for buy now. And okay, so it's the top of the hour. Okay, 1. Okay, I got stopped out. I'm still going. Now, see here, I'm still going to go the same direction as this last candle because it didn't surpass this one. If it went below on the first one, then I would go the opposite way. But it didn't, so I'm going to go the same direction again. Okay, so we're going to go, still going by. And then now we're changing the lot size now because 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're going 0.2. And this is a video, so you can watch it as many times as you need to. Okay, so this is buy. Boop. Okay, 1. Oh, I mean 2. This will be 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I'm going to go for sell. Just following the direction of the candle for this, for these examples, and this is how I've actually been testing. And still doing pretty good even without the smartest trend indicator, but the smartest trend indicator, of course, it would do better. Okay, so now I'm gonna go 1, go sell 1. Okay, got stopped out, and it went beyond on the first one. See, it went beyond this wick here, right? So it even was beyond this, the candle and the wick. So I'm gonna go this direction now. Okay, so that was the first one. Okay, so 2, okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm gonna go that way again. I have 3, so I'm gonna go to the next lot size. One, okay, 2, okay, got stopped out. 3, 4. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the other direction. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I'm going for buy. 1, okay, still going buy again. It didn't pass it, right? 2. Okay, it passed it that time, but I already went on the second hour. I go 3, 4, right? We don't trade on the second, the third or fourth, right? Now I'm going sell. So I have 3. Oh, actually I have 4. I have to back up. Okay, there we go. So I have to do that again because I accidentally. Okay, so we would go in the same direction, buy, right? So we go, that was 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I'll go for sell. Okay, so 1, okay. I'm still gonna go in the same direction, sell, right? It didn't surpass this. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna go direction. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, got stopped out. I'm going sell now. 1. Okay, got it. See that? So, and it got it on that one, and then that was on press it. That was the first one. So the first hour, the first top of the hour. So now I'm gonna start over, 0.01, and I'm gonna do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. So that's 4. I'm gonna do it again. Going for sale. 1, 2. Okay. 3, 4. I'm gonna go for buy now. 1. Okay. I'm still going the same direction. 1. 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay. 1. Now I'm going to sell. And I'm going up a lot size. 2, 3, 4. Going to sell again. 1. 2, 3, 4. Going buy now. Okay, there's 3. 0.4. Oh, 0.4. Going for buy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, got it. Okay, starting over. 1. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it again. Nice. Okay, and I've been doing every month separately. Okay, so I do September, then I start all over with the 5,000, and then I do October, and then I start all over, and then I do. So I don't just go like month to month to month and let this grow, because if you, my strategy, I teach how to have a $5,000 account and multiply accounts. You know, so within 5 years you have $100,000. So that's why I start completely over at 5,000 every month, and I'm not even using the smartest trend indicator, and I've still been getting great results. So with the smartest trend indicator, it'll be that much better. Okay, so this is, you see how I'm going, just candle to candle, still doing great, right? And was there something else? No, that's it. Okay, so now I already went buy. Okay, I'm going buy green. 1. Okay, going again. 5, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go sell now. 1. Okay, doing the same direction. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I don't know what this is. It looks like it looks green, so I'm just gonna go green. Okay, and if you want it, you could just you can wait for the next 4 hour. You know, that wouldn't hurt. You can wait for the next 4-hour candle if you wouldn't feel comfortable to continue on this, right? And of course, maybe you wouldn't be just trading on euro yen. This is euro yen is and you remember I told you euro yen and gold were the ones that were the least volatile out of the pairs that I sent you. So if it's doing great with euro yen, wow, the other pairs will even be better. And of course, if you use the smartest trend indicator, it'll be that much better too. So it's a pretty solid strategy. Even if you wanted to use it this way, candle to candle, it still would be pretty good. Okay. So I'm going to buy. I have 4.01, so I have to back up. Okay, one. Okay, I'm still going to sell for this one. That's what I was doing before. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to go buy because it's still green. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. There we go. There's 1. Okay, so start over. It is September 9th, so I'm going to be doing this. So I'm going to be doing this the whole time. Maybe I'm not going to talk so much now because I just want to get this done. I'm just going to go, okay? So you could just watch. Four. Four. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One. It's about even. I'm still gonna go sell. Oh wait, oops, I messed up because I have 3.02. It's okay. Okay, 1. I'm still going to sell. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, go this way now. This is 1. Yeah, same. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got it. Starting over now. One. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One. Let's go again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, no problem. So going the same direction. I have 3.04. And of course, I'm going a lot faster. I'm just going. This is 4 hours, so this would actually be a lot slower. So you don't have to worry about like, you're not going to feel like that. It's going to be pretty slow for you, actually. And my goal is just to have 120 at the end of the month. $120 for 5 pairs. So if it's over that, terrific. Which out of all my testing, 75 take profit and 15 stop loss has been over 120. It has been like 140, 200 and something, 300 and something sometimes. So it's been doing really, really well. And times that by 5 pairs, and it hasn't got, in a dangerous zone. Even doing it this way, which is risky, still hasn't lost the account or even got close. So this is a really good strategy. So I made this to give people to have a strategy when they use the smartest trend indicator. Okay, so that's why I haven't released it yet, because I want to make sure people get something worth value. They get the smartest trend indicator and they have a good strategy to use it on as well. So, okay, where am I at? Okay, I already got these. Sell 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, going buy now. That's 1. And I also trade on account history instead of open positions, because it's pretty annoying to not know where you are here. If you have it on open positions, I keep it on account history. It's just so much easier to keep track of everything, and it's just easier. Okay, what am I doing? So this is my little secret of testing. Be able to test years in weeks. This is how I do it, man. 2, 3, 4. Okay. And yeah, I have heard of Tim Sykes too. I seen you asked me that before. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have heard of him. I've heard of him and another guy with penny stocks and things like that. I looked them up. I didn't know the name by heart, but I looked it up. Oh, I got this one. See? So I looked it up and I was like, oh yeah, I heard of them. Penny stocks, that's a whole nother universe, man. So I would not advise you to try to learn penny stocks and Forex at the same time. I wanted to do penny stocks before, but they said there's no way that you can multiply accounts. So you'll have to have a lot of money to get rich, pretty much. It takes a lot. You really have to be into businesses and following businesses, and yeah, there's so many different businesses to follow, and I'm just not into that. Just me personally, I'd rather just understand what that country's doing, so I can know how that currency's doing. And but really I do more technical analysis instead of fundamental analysis. I don't really like to do fundamental analysis. It's just good to understand what's going on. So you see like a big move, you're like, what happened? You could just go to economic calendar and understand, oh, there was a speech from the president and they said that they were going to be doing good by the country, or maybe non-farm payroll came out, and you can understand why there was a spike. That's the only reason I use it. But just like I'm doing here, I do technical analysis. I just like reading charts, reading the candle history. That's my favorite way to trade. And it's just good to understand what's going on when there's a move. That's it, But stocks is like 75% fundamental analysis and 25% technical analysis, and I don't really like that. But everybody to each his own. But this is my sweet spot. This is what I love. But so it's up to you. Whatever you like. You like reading the news a lot. You like reading newspapers and reading online journals and blogs of stocks and seeing who's the new vice president and they got a new president. They got just promoted a new CEO. They made this much. I don't like following all that. That's not what I enjoy. But it's kind of cool to understand that. But it's just not my cup of tea. So trading is a lot easier and it's bigger. Forex trading, it's easier and a lot better, and you can do it 24 hours a day. With stocks, you have to do it when the market opens. And so that's why I told you, don't worry too much about like that. Just if you stick with like technical analysis, you don't have to worry like, oh, when is this market open? When is this market? Just do technical analysis and follow the chart. Just follow the candles exactly like I'm doing now, and you'll be fine, right? And I don't even have any indicators. I'm just strictly following the candles. Okay, so I'm going buy because I take profits here, and let me see. Okay, I just won the last one. Sorry, I got carried away by talking. I'm halfway through the month here. I don't know if this video might be too big to put onto Facebook, but I'll at least put it onto what is that called? I'll put it onto Google Drive, and then I'll give you the link so that you can check it out. One, that was one. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking so I can concentrate. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One. Okay, so that was one. You see how it went way above. Went way above. I was touching the screen like you can see it. I have to use the mouse. So way above, right? On one. Okay, so of course I'm gonna go the opposite way now, right? I'm not gonna go the same direction as sell if it just said, hey, I'm here, big shadow, right? Okay. So engulfing candle. That's I got big shadow from another trader who says that. So now I'm gonna go buy. I already pushed that. I got 0.02. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. Got it. Nice. Okay. So this was one, I believe. So I'm gonna go start over again. You see how this is, right? It's pretty easy strategy once you see it. You know, that's why I decided I'm already doing this. Even if I wasn't talking to you, I would be doing this, but I just decided to record it and show you. One. This is what I do all day, pretty much. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, going back by. Two, 3, 4. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Nice. Got it. Since it hit on 2, I just go 3, 4. Because remember, I only go if it goes 1, you know, but if it goes on the second one, then I just go 2, 2. Okay, it hits 3, 4. I never trade on the second one, right? Just on the open and on the first hour. That's it. Okay. As you can see, right? So now it's the 17th. See, it's the 17th, and I'm already almost at my goal already. A little bit over halfway through the month, and already like pretty much at my goal, $6 away, you know, which is terrific. And if you had 5 pairs open, you would almost be at your $600 a month goal, right? Which is terrific. One, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, I'm going to sell now. One, okay. Oh, almost. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, got it. Go back to 0.01. All right, now I've already reached my goal. See, I already reached my goal for the month. Doing good. Still got some time left for the month. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I make it easy for everybody to trade. There's never been anybody that teaches trading like this, like to go for a specific goal, how to get to a certain amount. I've never seen it. I'm the first person that I know to do it. Instead of just teaching how to trade, like what goal, what are you trying to get to? What are you trying to trade for? Are you trying to make, what are you trying to do, right? So I make it really simple that if you follow directions well, you will be fine. But if you try to go off and try to do your own thing, and then I can't really help you, you know. I can only help you if you know, if you're applying my strategy. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Okay. And I got over. I messed up. Let me see. I gotta go back to 3. It's my fault. I wasn't paying attention. I was going for. So this is 1. I gotta go for buy again here. 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's right. So since it hit at 2, I just go 3, 4, right? Now go sell. And another thing I was going to tell you: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So another thing I was going to tell you, yeah, man, you know, if you don't want to like practice first, you should at least get this software, because you have to test. You can't just like jump out there unless you like going to Vegas. Like I said, you just want to, you know, you want to gamble a little bit. That's up to you. But, you know, you need to feel good about it. That's why I feel good about my strategies, because I do this month by month for a whole year. So I really feel confident in it. I'm not just saying things, you know, I'm really testing it and seeing the numbers, and I'm actually testing 11 different variations. So this 75 take profit, 15 stop loss is one variation. I tested 60 take profit, 10 stop loss, that variation, 10 stop loss, 20 take profit, 20 stop loss variation, 100 take profit, 15 stop loss, 100 take profit, 10 stop loss, 120 take profit, 20 stop loss, 120 take profit, 15 stop loss, 120 take profit, 10 stop loss, 150 take profit, 20 stop loss, 150 take profit, 15 stop loss, and 150 take profit, 10 stop loss. So 11 different variations, and I've seen which ones perform the best every month for a whole year for each one of them. So I really know what I'm talking about. I'm not just like, just saying something like randomly. No, I really tested this and I analyzed it like a scientist and figured out, these have the best results, and these never got close to losing. And so now you're seeing it already at September, right? I'm already, this is 75 take profit, 15 stop loss. This is my last variation until I go to October, which is next month. And then I only have 3 more, so I should be done testing tomorrow. So I've already done a whole bunch of months, and with all those 11 different variations, and you just hit me up today. So I'm like, so I just told you pretty much my, all the testing that I've been doing for the last 2 weeks. So, so it's pretty, it's pretty well thought out. So that's why I wouldn't recommend you just doing something else, because you haven't tested it. You can't just assume or think. I really went through the hard time of testing this strategy well, so I can give it away. I'm not just giving away crap. I want to give away value, so people will make money and say, wow, this is really good, and this is without the smartest trend indicator. So it's going to be that much better for other people, and they're not going to get stopped out. Like you see, I've been getting stopped out a lot of times. I'm not going to get stopped out as many times. But if you just do it just this way that I'm doing it here, you'll still do great. You'll still do great, which is, amazing, right? 2, 3, 4. Okay, got it. So yeah, that's all. I wanted to tell you these things, man, because it's important. I think the main thing is following directions, though. Not trying to do your own thing. Listen to somebody who's already doing it and seasoned in it. Because I've lost like thousands, like tens of thousands of dollars. And it does not feel good. It's terrible. And so I had to shake myself and say, hey, I'm not putting there no more real money, just throwing away money like that for what? Like, so that's why I'm telling you that, man, you have to test. 2, 3, 4. Okay, great, got it. You have to test. You know, don't demo, man, demo, or get this software and practice for a year. You know, you practice your strategies, practice this strategy, or you can practice another strategy that you heard of. You know, but practice first. Don't just jump out there and put real money in just trying something. You know, no, don't gamble with your money, man. It's not worth it. You know, that's what demo accounts are for. I know one lady, and she looks up to us in trading, but she doesn't follow directions. And this like past week, she lost $10,000. And I was just like, what are you doing? She's like, yeah, it's okay. I know what I'm doing. And I'm like, okay. So I just really don't like to talk to her sometimes because she don't listen. It's like, why are you asking me things? And why are you talking to me? If you just keep doing your own thing. Like, I already told you what to do. And then you just like, she already lost 3,000 last time, 10,000 this time, but she made 10,000 herself trying to do her own strategy. So she was really happy. But guess what? Came back and bit her in the butt, and then she lost it all. So it's just like, man, I've been there. You know, I've been there. I'm telling, and it sucks. We were actually on vacation when it happened one time. And it was just the worst feeling ever. I was so sad. We were arguing because we were just so frustrated. It was really, really frustrating. So I don't want you to go through that, man. It doesn't feel good to keep losing, and then you're like, you know, you keep finding different strategies, and it's all because you didn't stick to one strategy and test it out really thoroughly. So I can't say that enough. I really can't. Every time you talk to me, that's what I'll tell you, man, because I've just been there and done that, and you really have to stick with it. The people who last in Forex are normally the people who can lose and get back up and test, and test some more and then put some more money in. But the people who don't, they lose a lot of money, they get discouraged and they quit, or they lose money, and they just give up, you know. But you don't have to go through that cycle. Just test, then put real money in, or test, and then use the real money that you already have in the account, and then you'll feel great. You won't have to go through down that road. And even with this losing here, I'm still at 137. So everything's doing really good right now, right? Everything's going great. I think the losses actually help the lot size to grow, and it's actually kind of nice when the lot size grows a little bit, because then you make more money, you know? Oops. There we go. Bam. Now look at it. It's 162. See that? $42 over our goal. All right. It's the 28th. Still going. Everything's looking really nice, right? And if we have 5 pairs right now, if we have 5 pairs right at this point here with a 162 times 5 would be 810, right? At $810, our goal is 610. See, so you can take that $210 off the top, keep it for yourself, right? Use it for whatever. So that's what will happen a lot of the times, you know, in the beginning, and then later, you know, it'll be more and more off the top, right? So in the beginning, you'll make some money, you know, and if you at ABC 360, you know, I'm just use that. $200 off the top. That's like an extra, what, 6,000 bad, 7,000 bad. You know what I mean? Like extra, just, you know what I'm saying? Spend money. It's cool while you're growing yourself. You know, while you're still working. You're not going to quit your job and just do this, but you just do this while you're working. In 5 years, you're retired, man. It's like, To me, there's nothing better. I haven't seen anything. Tell me. 2, 3, 4. Oh, oops. I don't know what the count is. Let me see. 1. Okay, so let me go back. Sell 1. Oh, I messed up again. God dang it. Okay, 2. Let me see. 1, 2. Okay, 3, 4. Okay. And sell. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go and buy now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is. I don't like this candle. I don't like it's so small buy, but I'm gonna still just go anyway. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Come in. I don't have a knife, Tyrese. Let me see. What is it? Oh, that's a passion fruit. Where's mommy doing? Oh, she exercise. You have to get a knife. You have to go get a knife downstairs, but it's pretty hard for you to get. Can you just wait until mommy's done? And you wait for her on the first floor since she's on the first floor? Because I'm recording and I'm teaching my friend a strategy, okay? Love you. Still go for 5 because it didn't pass. 2, 3, 4. Oh, I messed up. That's 2. I don't like these little candles like this. I gotta go cleanse her up. 1, 2, 3, 4. For sale. Okay, that one went over at the first one, so I'm gonna go for 5 now. 2, 4 tricked me. Okay, so this one I'm gonna wait because this is a weird candle. I'm not gonna go for 5. This is just weird. 1. Okay, see that? So now I'm gonna go for sale. 6. Sell. 1, 2. There we go. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm already at the 30th, so pretty much at the end of the month. See, 219. If we have 5 pairs times 5, be at 1,095. So 400, oh, almost 500, pretty much $500 over our goal. You know what I'm saying? Which is terrific. And this is pretty much how we'll be pretty much every month, pretty much like this. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. So even without, like, you know, this is without really like growing the account yet, like growing multiple accounts. This is just one account. You already made $500 over, you know, over your goal. Pretty nice. Okay, so let me see here. Now I'm just gonna go to the first. But if we wanted to, we can stop here. But I'm gonna just go to the first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I did that because I don't like these two candles like this. It's like, what are we doing? You know, I'm not gonna just keep going like that. If after two like that, I'm gonna wait to see some kind of movement, right? I'm go for sell. 1. I'm go same direction. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So there we go. So now we hit that. We got 237. I'm gonna write that down. This is my data. 237.12. And our highest lot size was, I think it was 0.16, right? Let's see, 0.16, anything higher. And the lot sizes are over here. 0.16, okay, 0.16 twice. That was the highest. 0.16 twice was the highest. Got once there. 0.16 twice. Okay, so 0.16 twice. That means that was 14 turns. So that's terrific. 14 turns. Nice. And we have about 24 turns before we are, you know, we're going into, you know, then if we had, let's say we had 24 turns and they all 5 were in that same position, then we would be in trouble. Because, you know, $5,000 account, all of them at 24 turns, which would be about 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, over $1,000. And we don't want to do over $1,000 for each position because we have $5,000 accounts. So 5 pairs, you know, easy math, right? It would, you know, if we're using like 1,200 per pair, we're going to lose the account. So that's why this one's great. It only went 0.16. It only went 14 turns. We don't want anything over 20 turns, really. I don't want anything. If it goes to 0.64, I'm not feeling so good about it because I'm sweating a little bit when it gets to 0.64. But it didn't even get to 0.32. So I feel really, really good about it. I just got to, yeah, so that's it. All right, man. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you later. Peace out.
heads or tails. I say no way, try again another day. I should be happy, not tipping the scales. I just won't play